Here in the Washlands, floodlands, wonderlands, a nun named Modwen in the 7th century left her Irish home, was on her way to Rome, stopped here and built a church on Andrassy, miracles and holy mystery, and founded a custom for brewing beer. Silver swans took her soul to heaven when she died, aged 107. High above the washlands, floodlands, wonderlands, waterways, water meadows, water courses, water towers. Dark waters of the washlands claim a life every 7 years, so legend has it. Here in the washlands, Alfred, a wise king, 200 years on, dreamt of peace between Anglo-Saxon, Viking, and used the river cleverly as a water body boundary, Brecby, Ashby, Derby, Burton, Barton, Stratton. Here in the washlands, waterways and bloodlands, Wulfric Spot built a priory, rain fell, water splashed, torrents ran, and near the end of the life of Queen Anne and the opening of Trent navigation, boats from Burton to the Baltic and Baltic to Burton began with the Industrial Revolution. Textiles twisted, turned and made, breweries boomed in Victoria's reign. These waters had the perfect science for a beer of impeccable balance, and the washlands, waterlands, floodlands, wonderlands are here and more. A corridor of wildlife, green space, a natural balancing pond that goes beyond a place to play and walk and lie when it's dry. For when it floods, it's a thing of awe to see. The surging sway and sovereignty of water, growing and rising, straining and travelling, the roar as it swells, mighty, each year in the washlands, floodlands, wonderlands. It's as right as rain, a storm in a teacup, the calm before the storm. When the sky weeps hard down Henhurst Hill, across tarmacked drives, a swelling will to fill our cosy lives. So is it only wildlife that understands water's way? The reaper becomes the midwife, the hands of water delivering life. The mallard ducks, the swifts, the swans, coots and badgers, dormice, bats, vegetation, plants and trees, bugs and beetles, fish and bees, herons, dragonflies, damselflies, a new season, spring. The hay meadow brings marsh marigold, cowslips, the cuckoo flower. Fold your breath into choice, rejoice, then breathe in the washlands and listen to her hallowed voice.